This video I will tell you idea about parabolic curve fitting. I am uploading this video because in YouTube there is no other video with some special case of parabolic curve fitting. There are all about video of curve fitting where the parabola is of the form y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. But if I omit this c, then what the case will arise? Okay. And if I omit this term, that is, if we consider the parabola as y is equal to ax square plus c, then how we will find out the best fitting parabola for the given data. Okay. So for this reason I am uploading this video, and this will be very much useful and very important questions comes from the special case of parabolic curve fitting. These are the data where x are this and the value of y, that is y is equal to here function of x. Okay, this equals to 2. This will take value as 2 at x equal to minus 4. At x equal to 0 it takes minus 1. At x equal to 1 y takes 1. At x equal to 3 y takes minus 1. Now if you take the best fitting parabola is of the form y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then the normal equations for parabola are summation of y, here I runs, okay, if you consider all suffix as I, then I runs here 1 to since the nodal points is the values of x, the number of values of x are defined here 1 2 3 4, so there are 4 nodal points, hence I will run from 1 to 4. This will be 1 to 4, this will be I equal to 1 to 4, here will be I 1 to 4. Okay, this all suffixes I will adding I. Now the first question arises that how we will obtain this normal equation. Okay, if the form is not of the type ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, this is error equal to summation of I equal to, okay, yi minus of ax square plus bx plus c, this is a square. Okay, this is the error term. And if we, how we will minimize this error? The main idea of solving curve fitting by parabola of this type is to minimize the error term. The first thing we have to do, okay, the partial derivatives with respect to the unknowns. Here unknowns are, we have to find out a, b and c. So if this error denote as e, we have to do del e by del a, then we have to set this equals to 0, del e by del b, this equals to 0, and del e by del c, this equals to 0. By del e by del a equals to 0, we obtain that summation of I equal to 1 to 4 yi minus of 2 into, here all will be I, 2 will be here, okay, 2 into this axi square plus bxi plus c into xi square. This equals to 0. From this we will obtain summation of I equal to 1 to 4 xi square yi. This equals to summation of I equal to 1 to 4 a into xi to the power 4 plus summation of I equal to 1 to 4 b into xi to the power cube plus c into summation of xi square. Okay, so notice that from one condition del e by del a equals to 0 we obtain this, and this one we called a normal equations for this parabolic curvature. What we obtain here, see that we obtain this, we obtain this number 4 equation we obtained here. Okay, by similarly taking as del e by del b equal to 0 and del e by del c equals to 0, we obtain all these normal equations. Okay, so to minimize the error term we obtain this type of normal equations for parabolic curve fitting of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Now we have to find out the value of summation of yi, summation of xi square, summation of xi, summation of xi cube, summation of xi to the power 4. Okay, so the data is the value of x. Here, from here we obtain summation of x, and from here summation of y, and from here summation of x square, summation of x cube, summation x to the power 4, summation xy, and summation of x square y. Putting the values in the normal equations we obtain these are the equations. Okay, now from 5 we obtain c is equal to this by simple plus minus, and then from 6 we obtain b is equal to this. Okay, then putting the values of a and b in 7, here is 7 is this. Putting the value of a and b from here we obtain that this, and by calculation we obtain a is equal to this, and putting the value of a we obtain b is equal to this, and c is equal to this. Therefore the required parabola is ax square. Here this is the value of a, this is the value of b, and this is the value of c. By this way we find the best fitting parabola of the form ax square plus bx plus c for the given data. But my next question is that if the parabola is of the form ax square plus bx where c is equal to 0, then what will happen? Okay, for these special cases I will making this video, and here the normal equations will be summation of xi yi equals to summation of xi cube axi cube plus b of summation of xi square. Multiplying both by xi we obtain the other normal equations. The main question here is that how we will obtain this? By similar what we did for the first case. Here error term e is equal to summation of yi minus of xi square plus bxi, this square. Okay, we taking this is the error, and you have to find out the partial derivative with respect to a, and then you have to set it as 0, and another is del e by del b, and this we will have to 0. From these two you will obtain these two normal equations. Okay, now by similar we have to find out the value of summation of xi yi, this xi cube xi to the power 4 and in part A already we find out these values. By putting we obtain this, the normal equations, and by some elimination method or subtraction what you can wish to apply, you can find out this is the value of A and this is just something value of B. Okay, so by putting we will obtain, here the calculation is something B, here calculation is something wrong, something this will be minus 0.33582, something will be this. Okay, this will be 582. Now the next case arises that if the parabola is of the form y is equal to ax square plus c, then what you will do? Okay, and also in this case also we will proceed in similar manner. How? In the first two cases we find out the normal equations. Here the expression for the sum of the squared errors, what we already considered as capital E, this equals to I equal to 1 to n yi minus xi square plus c this square. Okay, taking partial derivative with respect to a and c, del E by del A is equal to 0 and del E by del C equals 0, and from this we obtain these are the two parts, these are the normal equations. Okay, these are the normal equations, and solving, putting the values of xi, yi, all the data here, we will obtain two equations as above two cases, and by solving we will find out a and c, the value of a and c, and the putting the value of a and c here, you will obtain the required parabola which will fit with the given data most accurate. Okay, that is the best fitting parabola. So with this case my parabolic curve fitting video ends here. All the three cases I described is, this is the third case when the parabola is of the form y is equal to ax square plus c. This is the second case where the parabola is of the form y is equal to ax square plus bx, and this is the first case where the parabola is of the form y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Now if you need my help through YouTube video, please subscribe my channel and comment me about the topic what you need.